Hello everyone. In this video, we will be seeing about the belt drive. What is a belt drive? What are the materials used and what are the types of a belt drive? So belt drive is a type of a frictional drives used for transmitting power from one shaft to another shaft by means of pulleys which rotate at the same speed or at a different speed. So belt drive is usually for transmitting power. So this is a image of an pulley, a belt drive where there are two different pulleys. One is a driver pulley and a driven pulley, and this is a belt which connect these two pulleys. And when it rotates, the power is transmitted. So this is how a belt drive works. This is an animation of how a belt drive works. So when the two pulleys are rotated, driven, so the belt it transmits the power. Here some of the material, these are the some of the materials that are used for making a belt drive. So the materials used for a belt must be strong, flexible and durable. It should have a high coefficient of friction, and the various metals are leather, fabric, rubber and balata. So first, if you take about the leather may be oak tanned or mineral salt tanned. Example, chrome tanned. When the thickness of the belt required is more than two or more strips or cemented together, leather belts require periodic cleaning. Fabric belts are made by folding canvas or a cotton ducks in a layer depending upon the thickness required and stitching done together. Rubber. The belts are made of fabric with a rubber layer. There are two, these are used in sawmills, paper mills, etc. And balata. The belts are made out of these materials are similar to rubber belts, except that balata gem is used instead of rubber. The belt of these materials are acid and waterproof but cannot use where the temperature is above 45 degrees Celsius. So these are the commonly used types of belts. One is a flat belt and a V belt and a circular belt. So this is the image of a flat belt. The flat belt has a rectangular cross section. These belts are capable of transmitting power over long distances between pulley centers. The efficiency of this drive is around 98% and it produces little noise. Next one is a V belt. So here you can see the V shapes in the edges. The V belts are used with the grooved pulleys. V belts are trapezoidal in cross section. These belts permit a large speed ration and can transmit high power. Multiple drives are possible. And the next one is a circular belt. This type of belt has a circular cross section and is used with the grooved pulleys. So these are the types of belts. Next is about the types of belt drives. So there are 5 main types of belt drives: open belt drive, cross belt drive, stepped cone pulley or a speed cone drive, fast and loose pulleys, and jockey pulley drive. So these are the 5 main types of belt drives. So the first one is a open belt drive. In this type of belt drive, the belt is employing when two parallel shafts have to rotate in a same direction. So when the two pulleys or a shaft are rotating in the same direction, then we are using this open belt drive. When the shafts are far apart, the lower side of the belt should be tight side and the upper side should be slack side. This is because when the upper becomes slack, it will sag due to its own weight and thus increase the arc of contact. So this is how an open belt drive is arranged. So the next one is cross belt drive. So in open belt drive, both the shafts will be rotating in a same direction, but in case of a cross belt drive, both the shafts will be rotating in an opposite direction. So in order to maintain the arc of contact, the belt made as a cross one. So this type, the belt is employing when two parallel shafts have to rotate in opposite direction. At the junction where belts cross, it rubs against itself and wears off. To avoid excessive wear, the shaft must be placed at a maximum distance from each other and operated at a very low speeds. So this is how a cross belt drive is arranged. You can see two shafts are rotating in an opposite direction and there is a cross between the belt. So next is a stepped cone pulley or a speed cone drive. This type of belt drive are used when the speed of the driven shaft to be changed very frequently, as in case of machine tools such as lathe, drilling machine, etc. A stepped cone pulley is an integral casting having three numbers of pulley of different sizes, one adjacent to other. One set of stepped cone is mounted in a reverse on a driven shaft. An endless belt will be wrapped around the one pair of pulleys. By shifting the belt from one pair of pulley to another pulley, the speed of the driven shaft can be varied. The diameter of the driving and driven pulley is such that the same belt will operate when shifted on different pairs of pulleys. So this is the schematic arrangement of a step or speed cord pulley. Fast and loose pulley drive. This type of belt drives are used when the driven or machine shaft is to be started or stopped whenever desired without interfering with the driving shaft. A pulley which is keyed to the machine shaft is called as fast pulley and run at the same speed as that of a machine shaft. A loose pulley runs freely over machine shaft and is capable of transmitting any power. When the driven shaft is required to be stopped, the belt is pushed on the loose pulley by means of sliding bar having belt forks. So this is the arrangement of a fast and loose pulley. So you can see the loose pulley, fast pulley and a machine shaft. So here is another driving pulley. And the last one is jockey pulley drive. In an open belt drive arrangement, if the center distance is small or if the driven pulleys are very small, then the arc of contact will be very small. In order to increase the arc of contact, there we are given some additional idler pulley. So that is called as the jockey pull drive. So this is the open belt drive, but with an additional idler pulley to increase the arc of contact. So this is about the different types of belt drives and different types of belts materials used, about the belt drives. Okay, thank you.